In case you're experiencing packet loss and lag during your gameplay on the PS5 Pro, you can try and adjust the MTU settings on your console to see if that will fix the issue. Now to do this, all you have to do is go to the console settings by selecting the settings wheel icon in the top right corner, and then select network, and then from here go down and select settings, and then choose setup internet connection. Now at this point, all you have to do is highlight your internet connection and then select options, or press the options button on your controller and choose advanced settings, and then scroll down and find the MTU settings. So by default it's set to automatic. Simply select that and then choose manual. So once you have selected it to manual, scroll down and select MTU, and then now you'd want to change this number to 1473, and then select done. And then once you're done, simply click on OK, and now it will try connecting to your internet again. And then you can now go back to your games and see if that has fixed any packet loss or lag. Now in case it hasn't fixed it yet, you can simply come back and select advanced settings and go back to the MTU, and then change this number to 1450, and then select done, and then select OK, and it will connect again to your internet network and to see if any packet loss issues have been fixed. But if it hasn't been fixed, you can simply try and test your internet connection. So go back to your connection settings, test your internet connection, and see if everything is okay. And once you have confirmed that, you can simply go back and check if the packet loss has been fixed on your games. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.